Pop Dentology.
I say I'm too late. Got nothing in my brain. That's what people say. That's what people say.
I seem crazy what I'm about to say. You're like a drug that's killing me. I cut you out entirely. Girl, you're so high when I'm inside you. Clap along if you feel my zone. Let's go. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want. He's so crazy. You don't think I know what you've done. These girls ain't loyal.
These are the coordinates, and we're going to graph the vertices that are at 5,0 and minus 5,0.
Now that we have the vertices, we can know that the center is 0,0
at the origin.
at center at the origin.
We know our center and our vertices, and the distance from them is 5, so we know our A is equal to 5. Our C is 4, and the distance from C to the center is our focus, so focus is negative 4,0 and 4, positive 4,0. Now that we know that A is 5 and C is 4, we can get the B with the condition that it's A squared equals B squared plus C squared. And we put 5 because A equals 5. 5 to the square equals B squared plus, now that we know that C is 4, we put 4 to the square. And now we isolate the B. And we put 25, that is the square, the 5 to the square, minus equals B squared plus 16. And now we pass the 16 as a negative. 25 minus 16 equals B squared. And to get rid of the square, we have to take the radical of 25 minus 16, which is 9. And the square root of 9 is 3. Therefore, B equals to 3. And now, here, we go from the center to up, that it's 3, or here. Now we need to get our major axis. The formula for major axis is 2 times A. So 2 times 5 is 10, and this is our major axis.
Now we need to get minor axis, and minor axis is 2 times B. So 2 times B is 6. This is our minor axis.
Now we are going to form our ellipse.
Now we're going to get our latus rectum, which is from the focus to the line of the ellipse. The formula for the latus rectum is 2b squared over a. So we have our b, which is 3, 2 times 3 squared over 5. 3 to the square, 9, over 5. 2 plus 9, no, 2 times 9, 18 over 5. This gives us 3.6. So we know our latus rectum is 3.6. And it's in here.
Now we get the standard form by writing x minus h to the square plus y minus k to the square, and we equal this equation to 1. And because our ellipse is horizontal, we write the a below the x and the b below the y. And we substitute. We know that our center is 0, 0, that our a is 5, and that our b is 3. Therefore, in the equation we write x minus 0 to the square divided by a, that is 5, to the square, plus y minus 0 to the square divided by b, which is 3, to the square, equals 1. And we get this formula that it's x to the square, because x minus 0 is x, and divided by 5 to the square, which is 25, plus y to the square divided by 3 to the square, which is 9, and we equal to 1. This is our standard form. Now with this formula we can get our general formula. We multiply all of the equation by the two numbers that are divided. We multiply 25 times 9, which is 225, to the whole equation. 225 divided by 25 equals 9. So we put 9x squared. And 225 divided by 9 equals 25y squared. And equals to 1 times 225 is 225. Therefore, now we have to pass the 225 to the other side and equal the equation to 0. 9x squared plus 25y squared minus 225 equals 0. This is our general form. To improve our creativity, we are going to make something unexpected.